guys? It's your boy Eric, and this is
Tim.
Welcome back to another episode of Steak Weights and Gains. So tell us, Tim, what is this?
Oh, so today I got some keto tacos. So for today's video, I'll be making two different skirt steak keto tacos. Follow along and let's do it. Trim your skirt steak. You can leave some fat on it. So go ahead and marinate your skirt steak. Cilantro, soy sauce, sesame oil, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, water, onion powder. Then go ahead and mix everything together and throw it inside your food saver bag with the skirt steak. Then go ahead and vacuum seal your skirt steak with the marinade. So I'll be making a spicy Asian coleslaw. The ingredients that you will need is cabbage, jalapenos, habanero, lemon, cilantro, red onion, toasted sesame seeds, sesame oil, olive oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, salt and pepper. Combine everything in a bowl and mix everything well. Once steak is ready, done marinating, go ahead and start grilling your steak. Cook to a medium rare or to your desired doneness you prefer. Set them aside to rest. For the cheese tortilla, I'll be using mozzarella and Parmesan. You can use whatever you desire, but today I'm using those. Cook these cheese till caramelize on both sides. What do you prefer, cheese tortilla or low carb tortilla? Leave it down in the comment section. And thank you for watching today's video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe at Steak Weights and Gains. Oh, so today I got some keto tacos. For those who are keto out there, I mean, this is a different variety if you're not used to it. You know, you guys go to those taco trucks, you get those flat tacos, this with cheese, but this one is upscale. This is like an infusion with Asian, a little bit marinated steaks, you know.
I feel like I should wear my tuxedo or something to eat this.
But you know, it's good. You know, you guys seen the video, how I was making it. You guys should give it a try yourself. I mean, whether you're keto or not, you should give the cheese one a try.
Yeah, I mean, I've had all kinds of cheese tacos. I'm excited to try this one because, I don't know, he made it look so easy, so we'll see how it tastes.
So go ahead and grab the cheese taco first. We'll both, and then, oh damn. So,
like,
cheers.
It's like a crunch wrap chalupa, dude.
Right? Cheers to you.
All right, let's go.
So what do you think, Eric?
I love the coleslaw. It gives it a different, like, out of this world flavors. Like, when you think tacos, you don't think coleslaw, fusion, Asian, you know, it's
something different.
Oh, yeah.
You guys should give it a try yourself, like I said.
And then the cheese, it's like no carbs. What do you think, Tim?
Man, it's delicious. I enjoy it.
And not too spicy, even though you had habanero. It gives it like a little, there's like a little hint of habanero.
Yeah, because all the ingredients, they all balance each other right there. Like the onion, cilantro, all that stuff balances it.
Let's go and try the other one now.
So this one's a keto one with cheese, and this one's a low carb tortilla.
Yeah, I mean, technically it's still keto, because the tortilla has about, I don't know, 4 or 5 net carbs.
But the thing is, with the cheese one, I mean, you'll get you feel more satisfied.
Yeah.
Cool. So, cheers. That one's pretty good too. If I went to like a bar or somewhere and have this on the menu, I would pick both. That's really good.
The second one tastes like a real taco.
So what do you think?
I think
What do you prefer? Everybody out there is keto, or they want to try something like this?
Yeah, I would say definitely try both. Like the cheese one has a very like cheesy flavor, obviously, because the base is cheese. And then the low carb tortilla tastes like a real taco.
Yeah, for all those ketos that are lactose, they don't have to eat the cheese one. They can eat the low carb tortilla one, and it's still really good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and follow us on IG.
Yep. And give it a try. Tag us. We're dying to see you guys, try these recipes. If you're unsure, if we're not clear enough, DM us. We'll be glad to help with further instruction on how to make a certain item or not. And thanks for watching.